Hey guys, quick video I'm winding up this cheap camera onto my head unit. See the head unit over here. I'm winding the camera and the problem I'm getting is flickering. So it's a quick video what happened to fix it. So many videos. This is the wire basically I ran from the front of the car that plugs in. So it goes up here, and I also tapped into the power wire and then the ground wire, but that gives me problem. It was flickering, but here's what I did, and it's all gonna be fixed with one single part. This is the part that's gonna fix it. I got this, I'm not really sure what it's called, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna use. And there's a lot of videos online. I could actually attach a video description of what they did. So the numbers 87, 86, 85, and 30. I'll put up a picture diagram of where it's gonna go. So you're gonna need a ground wire, actual constant 12-volt power, which I'm getting from here. So this area is actually the cigarette lighter that's in the trunk of the Volkswagen. That's the cigarette lighter. See, this is a 12 volt. So I'm getting power from the 12 volts, constant 12 volt power. See right here? I'm also tapping into the ground. So what I did basically, I just used this pinching. I knew the red was ground. I know the red was constant 12 volt and the brown was ground. So I was gonna actually get the ground from over here, tapping into here, but I don't have this part. So I just tapped it to here because it goes directly down in here anyways. So that's good. So I got the constant 12 volts from here and the ground from here. I'm gonna run the wire under here. I'm gonna use some zip ties to attach it. And then after I run the wire, I'm gonna pull it up back over here through this area right here, and I'm gonna show you that what I'm gonna do, connect it in a second. This is what I did. I tapped it here and here. Red is the positive. I'm using the same wire, so don't judge my wiring. Only had one piece of wire left, and I tapped into the ground as well. I used auto misplice, and then I ran it under here, make it look good. Then I came over here. Then I came under here. Then I connected, pass it through here. I'm gonna tape this together, make it look seamless. I'm gonna run it through here. I redid this wiring to get a better connection because I'm just gonna tie all of this to the relay. I'm gonna tie everything. I'm just gonna pass it through it and just tie it and tape it up through the relay for now. I'm trying to secure this somewhere safe. I'm trying to figure here or here, maybe even here, right here, and just tape it around so it doesn't move or anything. So I'm gonna show you how to do wiring. Okay, I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now, let you guys know this is what I'm doing. It's the measurements I'm getting. So yeah, first thing I'm doing, I'm connecting the camera positive. This is where it comes from. This is the camera wire. Goes up here onto here. This is the camera wire. It's gonna be the red one. I already attached it here. This is the ground. So I'm getting the camera positive. I'm gonna attach it to number 87 on this, which is gonna be right here. 87. The top one. 87. Yep, right at 87. Okay, I attached it. This is not the best. I don't have the connections. I'm gonna attach it for now. Yeah, see, I'm just wrapped it around it. So that should hold up. I'm gonna tape everything so it stays secured. Be a trigger source, which would be 86. As I said, this one is attached to the rear reverse camera positive. So this is a trigger wire. Put it to 86. 86 is gonna be right here. 86 connected. Now I'm gonna do this one, which would be 30 and 30, and then 30 is gonna be. Now, so I got this wired in. Now I'm doing 30. 30 is gonna be the battery positive. So I got it straight from the 12-volt connection, the positive side, and I ran it up in here. Don't mind the colors. because I only had one length of wire. So I just traced this end to let you know that this is the 12 volt positive battery. This one is to actually attach the battery ground from where? Also here, I attach it from here. So I'm gonna attach it right here on number 85. Gotta use some electrical tape to cover everything up. Should pull on the car and then everything should work as expected. So I'm just gonna get this somewhere safe, and then the wiring, I might just take tape and just tape everything up together so you don't move about, and then that should be good. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Some of this tester tape to wrap it up. Wrap it up here. I'm gonna get some more tape and then wrap it around this. Every wire in touch, and it should be secured up here like this. Fix all the wiring, I'm done, and show you guys how it looks. It up. Everything's good. Now I'm gonna connect back the battery because I disconnected the battery at first because I was doing the electrical stuff. So I'm gonna plug it back and show you guys how this works without no lines or blurriness on it. And for the ground, let's leave the ground disconnected. I'm hearing that this things are gonna connect the ground and then put it somewhere safe, and then this should be good. It's secured. All the wires are okay. Yep. So guys, that's what we did. We took power trigger wire from the reverse light. We did not touch the ground. On this one, ground kind of messes up. And then we had two wires, a positive from the 12 volt socket in the trunk, and also the ground. We ran it up through here, over here, and we came over here and we all connected to the diagram that I showed you guys, and I secured my up here with tape and Velcro. This shouldn't move. So driving, I'm not gonna tape every wires up, make it look, neat and tidy. I'm also just gonna type everything up as well, make it look good. I'm gonna close back the box, and then that should be it. And I'll show you inside the car how it doesn't flicker at all. So I tried this. This is a car filter. I think it's a maintainer. I tried this did not work. So this method works best with the relay. So you can try this. Do you want to get the specific relay? If any questions, ask me. I'll got to answer, because this kind of got me bumped for a while trying to figure it out. So yeah. Okay, so the problem I had before, putting in reverse when the engine is off. Engine is off currently. It should clear, but when I started the car, it then used to show all kind of lines and whatnot. So I'm starting the car now. The car's on, and yeah, see, no lines of furriness is gonna happen. It's getting a 12 volt current, it's getting a 12 volt constant current from the cigarette lighter. So that's what's making it not fuzzy anymore. So if you wire, just get the wire in from the cigarette lighter, and then it should be good. Yeah, so if you like this video, like and subscribe. Please ask me any questions, open to answer any when I'm available. Yeah, so yep, guys. Bye.